Hello, Vivekians. Welcome to day third of School from Home program. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at your home. Here is your Chandni ma'am with your next work of English. Students, before starting our today's work, first of all, let's take a recap that we have done in our previous video. In the previous video, we have read about the achievements and awards won by Saina Nehwal. We also read about her dedication towards badminton, and I hope you all have completed your work in your notebook in a proper way. That is dictation words, word meaning, make sentences, comprehension questions. Let's try 1 and 2 and let's connect also. Now coming up to today's work, today I will explain you synonyms and simple present tense. Synonyms. Synonyms are words that are similar or have a related meaning to another word. They can be lifesavers when you want to avoid repeating the same word over and over. इट मीन्स सिनोनिम्स हमारे सिमिलर वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनका मीनिंग जो है नेक्स्ट वर्ड से रिलेट करता है. Okay, and they are lifesavers also because when you want to avoid repeating the same word over and over, then we use synonym. There are two examples in front of you. With the help of this, you will clearly come to know about the synonyms. So the first one is the boy was looking very happy. Okay, the boy was looking very joyful. And the next is Mr. Ambani is very rich and Mr. Ambani is very wealthy. So students, as you can see, both the sentences having the same meaning, although the words at the end are different. This happens because both the words that are different have the same meaning. Students, as you can see in both the examples, the words at the end of the sentences are different, but उनके मीनिंग क्या है सेम है. नाउ लेट्स कम अप टू आवर बुक पार्ट. नाउ ओपन योर कोर्स बुक एवरीवन. पेज नंबर 62. राइट डाउन द डेट नियर द टॉपिक synonyms. Read these sentences. Saina has always shown tremendous form. Saina has always shown excellent form. So now students, as you can see that both these sentences have the same meaning, but what we have done, we have used two different words in these two sentences. In the first sentence, we have used the word tremendous. In the second sentence, we have used the word excellent. Both are conveying the same meaning na? Yes na? So, such words which have similar meaning are called synonyms. Next is, let's try 4. Here, you have to match the words with their synonyms. So, first one is meant. Meant का synonym क्या है? Who will tell me? Yes, it's repair. So, first one has been done for you. Rest of the match you have to do it yourself. Next is, let's try 5. Here, what you have to do, you have to circle the odd one out from each row and then you have to add a suitable noun to them and write them in the space which is given below. In first, जनरस को सर्कल किया गया है और उसके बाद हमने क्या किया, उसमें हमने सुटेबल नाउन ऐड किया है, दैट इज जनरस किंग. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू डू इट योरसेल्फ. नेक्स्ट इज सिंपल present tense. The simple present tense in English is used to describe an action that is regular, true or normal. Simple present tense को हम English में use करते हैं just to describe an action को describe करने के लिए जो कि regular है, true है और normal है. So, first one is, it is used when something is true at the present moment. For example, Sheena lives in Kerala. शीना जो है केरला में रह रही है. सो एट प्रेजेंट मोमेंट इट इज़ ट्रू ना. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज, इट इज़ यूज्ड व्हेन समथिंग हैपन्स रेगुलरली. ये हम तब भी यूज़ करते हैं जब कोई चीज़ रेगुलरली हैपन होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रघु लर्न्स फ्रॉम हिज एवरी मिस्टेक. कि रघु जो है अपनी हर एक मिस्टेक से लर्न करता है. सो इन दिस इट इज़ हैपनिंग रेगुलरली ना. And the last one is, it is used when you are describing things that are generally true. For example, sun shines bright. Here we are describing the thing sun, जो कि true भी है कि वो कैसी shine करता है, bright. Okay. Now come to the book part, page number 64. So students, as I have already described you in the above sheet also, that simple present tense is used when something is true at the present moment, when something happens regularly, and when you are describing things that are generally true. Next is, we add s or es to the verb when the subject is he, she, it. ओके जब हम सब्जेक्ट यूज़ करेंगे ही, शी, इट, वर्ब क्या है हमारी लाइक, तो लाइक के साथ क्या हम ऐड करेंगे एस. ठीक है, थिंग इज ईटिंग फिश, तो हमारा सेंटेंस क्या बनेगा, ही लाइक्स ईटिंग फिश, शी लाइक्स ईटिंग फिश, इट लाइक्स ईटिंग फिश. So whenever we will use subject he, she, it, the verb के साथ हम क्या add on कर देंगे s. Okay, and when the subject is I, you, we, they, the sentence क्या बनेगा हमारा, I like playing football, you like playing football, we like playing football, they like playing football. Explaining you a little more about the usage, formation, time expressions, and adding s or es in the simple present tense. First one is general information. Here we will use like the moon goes around the earth. And the second is formation. With he, she, it, what we will use, verb के साथ हम क्या add on करते हैं es. First, for example, I watch TV every day. Here the verb is watch ना, जब हम he use करेंगे word, he वॉच के साथ हम क्या ऐड ऑन कर देंगे वर्ब के साथ ई एस, सो इट विल बिकम ही वॉचेस टीवी एवरी डे. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट इज एडिंग एस और ई एस. ड्रिंक का ड्रिंक्स, रीड का रीड्स, गो के साथ हम क्या ऐड ऑन करेंगे ई एस गोज, वॉच के साथ हम क्या ऐड ऑन करेंगे ई एस, इट विल बिकम वॉचेस. ओके, एंड द लास्ट वन इज अबाउट द टाइम एक्सप्रेशंस, अबाउट द फ्रिक्वेंसी, every hour, day, week, month, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, seldom, hardly, ever, never, once, twice, etc. All these time expressions we use in simple present tense. So now, coming to the conclusion, let's see where and how the simple present tense is used. Okay, now in let's try 6, what you have to do, you have to choose the correct simple present tense form of the word from the brackets, and then you have to fill in the blanks. Yeah, the first one I have done for you, they dash cricket every Sunday. अब हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ करेंगे, plays और play. Yes, we will choose play. They play cricket every Sunday. Earlier also I have explained you that they, we, you के साथ हमारा verb जो है as it is रहेगा. We will not add s or es with it. Now rest of the filling the blanks you have to do it yourself. Okay students, this is all for today's work. At last, there are some instructions for you. If you don't have book or fair notebook, maintain your work in any notebook which is available at your home. Image of each and every page is being provided to you. Do your work neatly and according to the pattern. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks.